Yeah,
Recording is on.
yeah. So the thing is that when the first question is arises, like why do we use builder pattern? Okay,
Yeah.
so I mean let's consider an example. Like let's say you are creating an object, and that object has, let's say, some 15-20 parameters, too many parameters, right? So first of all, I mean, whenever you will be creating that object, it will like become very clumsy, and it you might end up with a lot of errors. First of all, you have to know, I mean, the proper sequence inside the constructor. Then you'll have to write, I mean, let's say for example there are parameters which you don't want to I mean set. There might be some parameters which you don't want to initialize while creating. I mean, you might as well go ahead and create those parameters, or initialize those parameters at a later point of time, but that won't be possible, right? Because I mean, you might use default parameters, that's fine, but while you are creating the object, you'll have to add all those extra extra pieces of code. Correct?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so in that case, I mean, that basically I mean, leads us to, I mean, a clumsy code, and that basically, I mean, increases the overall complexity as well. Okay, so instead of that, what we can do is, like, we can use builder pattern. What it does is, it basically, I mean, we basically create a layer above the actual object that we are creating, and based on that object, I mean, whatever the parameters, whatever the fields that we have for the object, we basically create setters for them inside the builder class. And then when we create object, we won't be creating the object of that particular class directly. We'll be creating it through builder. And what will happen is, like, when we use the builder, we'll be free to initialize whichever variables, whichever fields, class variable, whatever class variables are there, we can initialize as per our convenience. I mean, we don't have to follow any sequence for that. It basically helps us. I mean, it basically increases the readability of the code. That's very important, and it basically helps us to basically not consider the sequence much. So these are the, like, small benefits that comes with builder. And I mean, we also introduce abstraction, so I mean, we can do a lot of things around abstraction as well. Okay,
Yeah.
so let's jump to the code. Let me share my code screen. Okay, let me share my entire screen. Yeah. So I mean, I was just writing the code. I haven't completed the code. Okay, so I mean, as we go along, I mean, we'll just see, and we'll just, if there are any errors, we'll just go through all that. We'll resolve all that. So let's say we have this object. Let's say we have a car. We are creating a car. Okay. So here we have these many parameters. There are around 8 parameters are there. 3, 3, 6, 2, 8. Yeah, 8 parameters are there. Let's say, I mean, if you're actually creating this inside some project, we'll add around, let's say, 20-30 parameters more, because the car is has like too many parameters, right?
Yes.
Right. So, yeah. So in this case, if wherever we go, and, like, let's say, in our, like, main function, we are creating an object of the car. Let's say we are creating an object of the car, new car, and now we'll actually have to maintain this sequence, right? That will be an issue. We might get into errors, we might bump into errors, and we might miss the sequence, or we might miss some parameters. That will be an issue. Instead of that, what we'll do is we'll directly create builder. So for creating builder, let's say this is my normal class that we have. And what we'll do is first we'll create an interface for the builder. And whatever whatever variables that we are using over here, whatever class variables we have over here, all of them will go as a setter inside the builder. Okay, like set type, set engine capacity, set transmission, fuel type, set boot space, tire size, suspension, and set body roll. Okay. Next, we'll go ahead and create a so one thing to mention, one thing to note it out over here is like we could have directly gone and created this car builder. Okay, we shouldn't have been creating iBuilder. I mean, even if you go and create just this car builder and just use all these methods directly over there instead of creating this interface, that will also work. But introducing the main point of introducing interface is like you must be knowing that it helps us to increase the it helps us to make our classes loosely coupled. They won't be tight coupling, and it will also increase the cohesion. So that's why we'll just create an interface builder, and from there we'll implement this car builder. Okay. Now when we implement this car builder, we'll just go ahead and we'll just create all these methods over here. Let's say we created these methods, set type, and there will be set type is string type, and here you can set these parameters will be here as well. Set parameters. This dot type equals to type, and then we'll be having set engine capacity. This dot engine capacity equals to engine capacity. You're following it, right?
Hmm?
You're following this, right?
Yeah.
Let me know. If you want me to stop anywhere, just let me know.
Yeah. I already also see the some video regarding the building patterns also.
Okay,
So that's good.
that's fine, right with you?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
We'll just quickly go through the example, and then we'll just finish this off.
Yeah.
If you don't have much question, then that's fine. The transmission equals to transmission. Did you go through the same method, or did they implement it differently?
Yeah. Same. They are also define the same thing in here.
Okay.
In here, then they also do a one thing also in here. Okay, they just return the this patterns. So after return the this, they can create the chain for that
Same,
one.
yeah, yeah.
It's a good. I think it's a good part in there
Okay.
because after this, they just directly return the this dot the car builder. You can just return in there and some other part this patterns this directly, right?
Yeah, yeah,
And this is also the same thing here also.
yeah. So, yeah. Next, let's add boot space. Digital boot space equals to boot space, and then uh,
Singleton pattern is also coming from the creation of object, right?
yeah,
Creation.
singleton also comes from there. Yeah, yeah,
Okay. Because
yeah.
we are also already work on the objects, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Tire size is int, and then it is our string int. Do you have any feedback for how the classes? How we are taking up the sessions?
Hmm?
Do you have any
What did
feedback for the sessions that we are having?
hmm?
Any feedback for the session? The way we are having.
Yeah,
Is it helping you, or how's it?
yeah, all are the good. It's good. But I want to just add one more point. between
Yeah,
the session.
yeah,
कि,
between,
as we know कि only the few persons is coming in the sessions, right?
yes, correct,
So
correct.
could we do after completing the that patterns part
Yeah,
from tomorrow?
yeah.
So I was thinking that can we just continue? Can we create the continuation the class within the not only in the weekend, just daily? I thought so
Daily, yeah.
because
That was what I mean. Even I also meant, because the thing is, I mean, we are connecting on weekends only because of two people, because they're in US time zone.
yes,
Yes. So in that case, we can definitely connect. I don't have any issues connecting every day. That's fine. Every day or
yeah,
alternate days, that's fine with me. No issues.
yeah. Actually, I was because of why I was thinking because as we know, we are just still we are just working on the patterns, right?
Yeah, you're
So
correct. Actually, you're correct.
so I
You're
was
actually
thinking,
correct. We should be. We should be moving faster. Actually,
yeah, that I was noticed in here.
I mean, I, I, I am like. Whatever. Whatever everyone. Agrees with. I also will have to agree with that. And I cannot just. Just go along with my pace.
Yeah,
That's why
that part I was already understood. But the problem is, if nobody will coming in here, then
it makes
it
sense
will.
actually. It makes sense.
Yeah.
Just a minute. I'm getting a call. Yeah, that's fine. So it actually makes sense that if people are not joining, then actually we can go ahead with our pace. That's fine.
Yes. Yes.
So yeah, so this. So, what modifications you are telling in this class? Like this is the builder class. So what modifications you are telling?
Hmm? No. In the builder class, that you are just in here. You are just create the only the board, right? Board function for in here. But when I was seeing there, they was create the they just return the this functionality in there. So
Okay,
what
from
was
here,
there?
from here
They
to
will
return
just
it.
create. Yeah, they what was happening there? They just create the cycling or the chain.
Okay, so we can do this, right? What do you mean is like I can do this car and then return this, right?
Yeah. Then what will happen in there? If you will just create only the one object, then it will not depend that we will have to be just write all the parameters in the constructor functions, right? When we are creating that, we can do one thing when we will
Okay,
just
okay.
create only the object and we just dot set tag, right?
No, no,
Then
but
dot
no,
set.
but no, no. So one thing. So but then how do we return this? I should be doing return new car and then type.
No, no, no. Return this.
Okay, return this.
Yes, yes. Because it is
Return.
also the object, right? Why
Okay,
we are
builder
creating the another
car
object?
builder is also an object. Yeah, correct. Just correct.
This is already
So
object.
this should be car builder, right?
Yes.
Should be car builder. No, yeah, I got it. Got it. I think this is a better method. I think we should go with this only, because in that case we can chain, right?
Yeah.
So then return this, and then but then at the end what will happen? Let's say we added all these, and then what we'll do? Okay, we'll chain and then we'll create it. Okay, that's fine. Return this, and then return this. Are you giving any interviews right now?
Hmm? What
Are
did
you
you say?
giving? I'm saying, are you giving any interviews?
Still, yeah, I was giving one, and there,
Okay,
yeah, some before also actually. But
okay.
when in the November or the December, actually, I was noticed that I'm not good still, so I was have to be focused more in.
I mean, what I mean, what all things you feel that I mean you're not good at?
Yeah, what I was feel key in there actually, they just because I didn't prepare. I was thinking
Okay,
that yeah, I already know. Then I was just forget most of the point in there
what's the point?
that we.
Okay,
Yeah, actually, I was doing the same mistake that all the other people also actually.
okay, so that's fine. I mean, I also have my I mean interviews coming. The thing that I feel is like I mean I feel that I'm a bit. I mean these design patterns are clear to me, but when I get the actual problem, I'll have to actually think. I mean sometimes I mean I'll be going completely blank. Like I mean how to start. I mean right now most. I mean I have seen many videos right now, and I'm also practicing. It is more
Hmm.
clearer to me, but yeah. I mean there are. I mean I need to improve on this part basically. Let's say
So
we create set
you
sorry.
just wanted to move to the production company, right?
I mean
No.
I am right now in product company, but the thing is I mean I'm already working in product company right now. uh,
Okay.
what was IDE, yeah, ID. The thing is like I mean I want to move to a better I'm basically looking for a more stable company right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm currently, as you know, I'm in the TCS, and in the
20.
TCS, yeah,
No worries. I mean, it doesn't matter. I mean, it doesn't matter if you are in TCS or any company. That's fine. I mean,
yeah, that is
as far as
completely.
yeah, as you, I mean, you're getting. I mean, basically, I mean, if you're working on, if you're coding every day, and then if you are aware of the how development works, I mean, then I think you can actually, I mean, get quite good referrals.
Yeah.
So which campus are you in for TCS?
Hmm?
Which campus are you in?
I didn't get you all. Actually, your voice is very different. What did you say? Can you repeat it again?
I'm saying which campus are you in? I mean, which location are you in for TCS?
Yeah, location it's not decided, completely not decided, but in Delhi, as I know, because I didn't go in there because I'm in the 2020 batch, so
Okay, okay,
I
okay, got
didn't
it.
get any chance.
Okay, okay. Till now, you haven't been to office.
Yeah.
I think it's better then it's a better opportunity for you to uh, clear your product fundamentals and then just move out.
Yeah, that I was also thinking that.
Okay, so I mean, so I mean, just a recap. I mean, I've built this. We have built this car class. Then we have this interface builder. All the functions we have, all the parameters that were inside car class, we have defined it over here. Just one thing, I
Hmm.
think we'll have to make it as what do we need to make it? Car builder. Okay, this should be I builder, right?
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
Right. I
Yes,
builder.
yes.
I builder. I builder. I builder. That's fine. And then these are car builders. That's also fine. Okay, let's replace this one. Um, done. And then we have this car builder implementing I builder builder interface. We have defined these fields. Return this. We're fine, and then we are finally building car over here. Uh, okay, so this looks good. Let's complete the main function. New car builder dot set type, and here then we can chain it, right?
Yeah, yeah, we can change.
Set, let's use what is sorry, capacity is for engine capacity. Engine capacity will be, let's say, uh,
Now
2000
what is
cc.
happening in here? If you keep only the set only the two things in here, then it will also be okay, right?
It will also be, yeah, correct, yeah, correct. Let's say we set this now. After some code, we'll just go ahead and we'll just again set something. I mean, after some processing, let's say you want to set now. You want to set transmission. Set
Yes, yes,
transmission.
yes.
Let's say it's manual. Okay, and then we will just go and builder dot build car. Car equals to builder dot build car. And what else shall we do? We want to print also, right? Let's do get car details. Uh, public string string and type. We just add, let's say we'll just add one more thing. Engine capacity plus engine, engine capacity. That I mean, let's say we add these two things only.
Yeah, yeah, that's good.
Yeah, class and go there. Now let's just print car on it. Java line 5. Okay, 42. So this should be class. Okay. Hmm, missing method body.
Yeah. Why we have calling the builder or builder car? Can you go to there?
Uh, just a minute. Just a minute. We haven't defined this one. Okay. Yeah, we are calling builder dot. I'll just go over there. We are calling this builder dot build car so that when it returns us it creates the object of the car and then returns it.
No, we already create the object, right?
No,
In
we are
the
creating the object of this builder, right? We are creating the object of this builder,
yes.
and then we are setting value inside it, all the values, and then we basically want the object of the car, right?
Okay, you doing like this.
Ultimately, we need the. I mean, after we create the builder object, we step by step we build all the features. Like first we build the type of the car, then engine capacity. We created transmission. Then we'll have to get the car, right? After all the building process complete, we'll have to get the car. So when we just click on, when we just write execute build car, then it will return us the car with all the features, all the features that we defined.
Okay.
Yeah. Any confusion?
No, no, no.
Okay, so I'll just quickly add this type equals to type step. Mm, copy, type, type, okay, body roll equals to body roll. Fine. Let me just copy and paste it. Uh, good.
Aggregations and function is for inheritance.
What is the type of toString?
Hmm?
What is the type of toString? Any idea? It's saying it cannot override.
Car builder is not abstract, and if we are not returning anything, then car builder is not abstract, does not override abstract methods set body and builder.
Set body roll in iBuilder. We have this set body roll. We have okay. This is B capital R capital. It is there, right?
It is saying that key iBuilder is not the abstract class. It is the interface, so we cannot put as a return type in the interface as iBuilder. As
Uh,
I thinking.
just a minute. It's saying in line number 51. Class car builder implements iBuilder. It's saying car builder is not abstract. That's fine, and does not override abstract method set body role in iBuilder. No, it is not showing for any other thing. It's only showing for set body role, right?
Yeah. Can you remove the body part? Then what is happening?
This one.
Yeah, just remove the body.
Okay, comment it out and let's say comment it out from here as well.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. Then
So it's showing for everything.
now it will come for all one by one when you
Come
will
for
just
all. But I mean, it is overriding, right? I mean, we are overriding it. Okay, it says the type should be iBuilder. That's what, right?
hmm.
The type should be iBuilder, right? Okay, let's do one thing. Uh, if you're not keeping it, this one, let's say we do this. Type is iBuilder. Let's say we keep type as iBuilder only. That should also work. It should also work, right? iBuilder is the base class. It should be work. It should be working. Let's check this once.
No, I think so. Because you are just returning, you are just providing as a return type as a interface, and we are not create any object for the interface, right? Then how can we? It will
Okay.
just return. I think it will create the problem. Just check it again.
Let's check. Let's check it. let's do one thing. But let's do it. Extend. Why it is showing this error now? Okay. Set engine capacity.
Okay, let me do in mine also.
I haven't added abstract over here. I'm adding abstract over here. You're doing on your system as well. It is showing the same error. It's not resolving.
Okay, let me create in my system.
Okay, let me do this. Provide. I think the chaining that we have introduced, I think we haven't introduced the chaining correctly.
Okay, I think you will just design from your side,
Yeah, yeah.
and then after it we just do. It will
Yeah,
be better.
let's first do this. Like, I mean, let's just do it without chaining,
Yeah, yeah.
and we'll see how we can add chaining to that. This is the one,
Sure, sure.
and implements iBuilder. This is also in public interface iBuilder. Let's just do this once. Return also will not be there. Let's just add all of this again. It's again showing the same thing. Set body roll. It's again. I mean, there's some other issue. There is some other issue over here.
Are you using the set body role in somewhere also? It is
See,
saying.
no, set. It's saying that it's not overriding set body role of this interface. That means okay. Got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Got it. What is it? See, we are using parameter over here, right? And here we are not defining any parameter over here in this interface. So it should be. Uh, how do we then pass parameters then?
We will have to be defining in there also interface. Can you go there?
Okay.
Can you go to the interface?
Yeah. String type. You're saying like this.
Yeah, tap string. Yeah, only string, not something others. Only strings because
Only string. This will work.
yeah, only strings. Yes, yes.
Okay,
In
this
here,
is
just define the tab. What thing just one.
that fuel type is also string, and then boot space is int, and then tire size is also int, and then int. Okay, that's fine. Now let's run it.
Yeah, random.
I mean, it is expecting identifier string. Let's say we add now sample stuff.
Okay.
Then capacity string transmission, then string fuel type, then string boot space, string tire size, string suspension. Yeah. Why is it change thing like this? Set body roll. Line number 90. It is saying set body roll in car builder cannot implement set body roll string in iBuilder. Why? Attempt to assign vehicle access privileges was public. I didn't get this. Let me check this. Let me Google this.
Okay. Let me try in my that also.
No, I mean, there's. I think we are doing some minor mistakes. We are doing it.
Yes, yes.
Let's let's say we keep it as public. Okay, so it's done. It's done. The
Okay.
issue was,
What was it?
yeah, the issue was like we hadn't defined public over here for this car builder. I mean, this is implementing builder interface, right? So
Yeah,
we
yeah.
have public over here. I haven't added public over here. That's what. So now in this case, it is building. It has built car with fuel type. Fuel type is null because we haven't defined any fuel type. Let's say we define fuel type builder dot set fuel type. Let's say we
First
add
of all,
fuel type. Sorry.
we are calling the car builder. Then we are defining the functions, and we
Yeah.
just
Then we are adding the, let's say we are adding petrol over here. Fuel type as petrol. So it should show us fuel type as petrol. Fuel type petrol. Engine capacity we haven't given. That's null. And whatever the other features then we have, that will be added. That's any confusions? Yeah.
no, no, no.
I mean, this is the simpler way that I have done it. I mean, I was actually wanting to implement. I mean, how you were saying that chain thing. I think we can do the chain thing also.
Hmm.
I mean, let's see. I mean, if you're able to do that in 5 minutes, we'll just do it. Otherwise, we'll close then.
Yeah. If you want, we can continue. There's no problem.
Yeah, I mean, let's see. I mean, if we can do that chain thing. I mean, that was more interesting.
Yes, yes.
Uh, car. Okay, so this is car building here, and then we have this car builder. I have this car builder over here. Fine. Now, for the chain thing, what we'll do is for the chaining, first of all, we'll have to define this as iBuilder. I think we should keep it iBuilder only. Public iBuilder, 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 builder. And this. So I have added this return type as the type of the interface, and then I'm just adding return statement. Let's see, just quickly if this works. car builder is done, and then we have interface builder. Okay, this works. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Let's add engine capacity. Engine capacity to, let's say we add 1500 cc. Let's see. Add engine capacity. Okay, so it is working. It is working, bro. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Can you show me the code? What did you do?
Yeah, I'm just showing the
The
code. I mean,
man.
can you see this? I mean, it is. I mean, these steps.
Yeah, you have
Can you
created
see?
the main class in there. You are calling. First is the car you have created in there. Okay, can you go down?
Yeah.
So,
I mean, I'll show it, but it's better I'll show you here. So this is the car
yeah.
class that we had built. Okay.
Hmm.
Uh, yeah. So this is the car class that we had built. It's a normal car class. Then
Hmm.
in the interface, I had made the return type as the type of the interface, because
Okay.
this will be the reference, right? This won't
Yes,
be
yes.
the object. This will be difference only. And then I had just on in all the setters, I just added the return type as I builder, and not the concrete return type, but the return type of the interface. And then
Hmm.
I just added return statements this like this, return this.
Yeah.
That's what. And at the end, if when all the setters are done, we'll just call this build car method, and it will just return the object of the car.
Yes, yes.
I mean, it was easy, and I think we hadn't added public over here for this class, and while we were overriding, that's why it was throwing the thing issue. And the another issue was like we hadn't added this data type parameters over here, and we were while overriding we were adding parameters, so that's why it wasn't recognizing. I mean, I said, we are doing some silly mistakes only. That's fine.
Yes, yes.
So I think our code is working right now, and so I think, yeah, that's about builder pattern. I'll just share you this snippet. Save builder design pattern. Okay, just share it. I'll just share it in the group.
Yeah.
Yeah. So any questions around this?
No.
That's fine.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah. So then in that case, then tomorrow we'll just go through. So builder is done. Tomorrow we'll just go through adapter. Adapt. I mean, we have three left: adapter, wrapper, and strategy. So I'll try completing three. I mean, if not three, we'll just go through two of them, and then from next week onwards. I mean, if you're saying, I mean, we'll connect every alternate day or every day during the week also, weekday also. We'll just connect over weekday and we'll start with the problem.
Yeah, alternate day it is better.
Alternate day
I
is
think
better,
so.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Because we will have to get one day also for preparing.
Yeah. Yeah. Correct. 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 Okay. Okay. Then yeah, I think thanks. I think this. I mean, I haven't prepared the code complete. I mean, I knew that. I mean, there will be errors over here while I will be doing, but yeah, that's fine. I think
No, yeah, yeah. So
coding in real time. I
we
think that's.
we can. I also create one class. I think.
You
Let
want
me
to
show
show?
you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let me show you
Yeah.
one thing also. Yeah. Can I share my screen?
Well, please share. Yeah.
Where it is? Yeah.
I'm stopping my screen share.
It
Yeah,
is
I can
visible.
see. Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah. In here, I have created the one class that you have also, right? In here,
Yeah,
I create only the two parameter in here.
car type and
In the
model.
parameter, I didn't. My constructor is by default constructor.
Okay,
I'm not passing any data in here.
okay,
Yeah. I have created one car builder.
okay,
In the car builder, I was creating in the init method in the constructor. I was creating the one car object in car builder. On the basis of the object, I was just pass the set the value of the car type and the car model on the
okay,
basis of the set car type or set model in the car builder.
okay,
And I was also doing the same thing here. I was create the self.car.car type equal to car type self dot return self. In here also doing something, and in the builder after I'm just returning the self.car.
okay. So just one thing, I have just one doubt. So inside this car builder in line number 15, so
Hmm.
you have initialized self dot car equal, I mean, so yeah, I mean, car is basically instance variable of this car builder class, and you have initialized is to car
Yes, yes,
object.
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
and
yes,
then yeah, and then one by one you'll be initializing the individual instance variables of the car class.
yes, yes. And in here, if I just want not want to get this one,
Yeah,
let me show you.
set car type, set model dot builder. I think, yeah, I think I got it. Yeah, just try printing it.
Yeah, just hold on.
Car equals to, okay, print car.
Why it is not coming down? Okay, then why it is not coming there?
I think some issue with the print statement.
Okay, I was didn't save it. Yeah, now it is coming. Actually, I
Yeah,
didn't
so
save it. That's why.
didn't save it. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, yeah, I think this makes sense. Yeah,
Yeah, I think
yeah.
it is also the good thing in if we will just in here. I was thinking that we are not depending on the car now, right? We have created the separate class for the builder in there. We just create the
I,
object
I
only.
mean, yeah, I got your point, but I think this kind of freedom, I think Python provides. I think Java doesn't provide this.
No, no, you can also create in there if you will just not create any function, not create any
Okay, I
constructor,
got it. I got it.
right? If you not call
Yeah,
the constructor, then it will be the by default constructor,
it
right?
will be by default content.
Yeah,
Whatever
and
things we will set, it will only take up those only.
yeah, in the car builder, you can create one constructor and it will just call set one parameter a car
Yeah, yeah,
call
got it.
object, and you can just do something also in there.
Yes, correct. That's correct. Actually, yeah, got it.
Yeah.
I mean, in your case, you are creating the car object and empty car object, and then one by one you are initializing the variables. In my case, I am initializing the variables first, and then I'm creating the object with those variables.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. So I think that's fine. I
I
think
I think you are just passing or creating the object. Decide the value in the car builder, right?
yes, correct. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
And
yeah. I
in my
think
case, as I know, I've just passed create only the variable in the car, and it will just set by the car builder.
by the
That's
car builder.
correct.
Yeah, yeah. Got it. Yeah, I
Okay.
think there are two different ways. I think these can be the two different ways to build to
Yeah,
use
yeah.
builder.
Sure.
Yeah, yeah. That's nice.
Okay.
Okay, then yeah, I think yeah, I think we discussed I mean we discussed and we coded around builder pattern. I think that was good. And yeah,
Yeah.
we'll connect tomorrow around I mean, same time with wrapper, adapter, and strategy pattern.
Yes, yes, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay then. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
We'll
Bye.
just end this today. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.